Hello, this is Mike from sideordercatering.co.uk. Today it's a nice easy one. It's how to line a round cake tin. So I'll see sort of over the years people like at work in kitchens, like they'll put it, be drawing around the tin and cutting it out. But I just want to show you like the easiest way to do this. So all you need is your parchment paper, some bumblebee scissors or non-bumblebee scissors. The parchment paper needs to be sort of as big as your tin. Yes. Okay, so the first thing, you take your paper, you just fold it in half, end to end, like that. Okay, and then with the crease side, fold it again. So the crease side is up, fold that again, in half again. Okay, and then with this corner, so where you folded it, you now need to make a triangle. So fold it once, like that. Okay, and then fold it again into a triangle again, so just in half again. Okay, so you end up like that. And then what we need to do with your tin, just sort of measure it against your tin so you can see where the point is. You need to get that sort of in the middle of the tin. Doesn't matter exactly, obviously, and you're always better to go a little bit smaller than bigger. If it sort of comes up the sides a bit, it's going to affect your cake more than if it doesn't. So what I do, so just sort of, just either remember or mark off. You can give it a little crinkle or something, just so you know. Then with your scissors or your knife, just cut round where it is, and then you've got your circle. So just open it up. Perfect. So we've got circle, just sits in there, and that slides. So you can grease the bottom of the tin, and it will help it to stick in, and grease the sides, obviously, for your cake as well. But there you go, just so you can see that. Nice. So nice and easy, very quick. If you've got a few of these to do as well, you need to keep it quick. So there you go. I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, any comments, any requests, let me know in the comments. And that's it, and I'll see you again for another one.